Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Mulazdianto from Diponegoro University. Here I will to present my science project at the International Polysolvation Competition Physics Olympiad with the couple spring pendulum system using for Lagrange function.
How does the system work? The system consists of the pendulum as suspended on the springs and the connection to S under by an additional spring. When the pendulum moves, the force on the connection spring affects the under pendulum. As a result, both oscillation in the couple are minor, either in the same direction in phase or the opposite direction anti-phase. The motion of the system is not independent but interdependent. Motion system coordinate diagram contracts in the system. There are two, at the leg of object 1 and spring on object 2, because in the connection harmonic oscillation system involving two angles, theta 1 and theta 2. The motion of the both angles affects the JR connection by a rope, rod, or spring. Solving this system often requires methods such as the Lagrangian method. Degree of freedom are in the system. They are two, at the angle of pendulum theta 1 and theta 2, because it requires two corner coordinate to describe the anti-rate movement. These two degrees of freedom influence at the relation of force, such as a frog or ropes, making the motion more complex combination the system with 1 degree of freedom. The first step in the analysis is to break down the position of two masses, object M1 and object M2. For the position of mass 1, it is affected by angle theta 1 with a string length of L1. The x-axis position is given by L sin theta and y-axis position L by L cos theta. But option ini the trigonometry relation. For the x-axis, x1 equals L1 sin theta 1. We did differentiate in us two options, the velocity x dot and square it. Similar for the y-axis. V dot is a y-axis. Y1 equals L1 cos theta 1. Differentiate to option the velocity y dot and square it the well is a well. The position of the mass 2 affected by angle theta 2. With the string length L2 and spring extension S, the breakdown process is similar to mass 1. Next, we determine the kinetic and potential energy. We know that kinetic energy is defined as half mv squared. The kinetic energy of the system consists of the velocity of both mass, where velocity is derived from x dot square plus y dot square. We substitute x dot square and y dot square, both mass 1 and mass 2, to obtain the expression. After simulation, we drive to a question for the total kinetic energy. The potential energy depends on the vertical position change and the spring or action expressed as a V equals M1 G L1 and M2 G L2 and half K S square. By substituting L1 and L2 into the potential energy expression, we obtain the final form of potential energy equation. Lagrangian equation. The next step is to use the Lagrangian function. The Lagrangian function, the formula is L equals T min V. We substitute the kinetic and potential energy equals into Lagrangian function, and similarly to obtain to Lagrangian equation will ask. From the Lagrangian equation, we derive the three equations. The motion of the object is affected by the increase in the leg. The motion of the object depends on the angle theta 1 and dimension of the object depends on the theta 2. First, applying the Erlangen function, the spring length S. We differentiate L with respect to S, option to an equation of difference, and difference L with respect to S dot for the next. Then substitute in the Lagrangian function S. Then we take the time difference of the expression to get equate the field difference this expression to get equation involving double dot. It's also S double dot the left hand side and different all so that different by M2. In the first equation, second, applying the Lagrangian function angle theta 1. Differentiate the respect to theta 1 to obtain one equation. And differentiate with respect to theta 1, theta dot 1 or the next. Then substitute into the Lagrangian function theta 1. Taking the time derivative of L with respect to theta 1 dot expressed also equating involving theta 1 double dot. So that divide by L1 to obtain the second equation. Treat applying the Lagrangian function to angle theta 2. Difference L with respect to theta 2 to obtain one equation. And difference L with theta dot 2 for the next. Then substitute auto at the Lagrangian function theta 2. Taking the time derivative of L with respect to theta 2 dot gives a equation involving theta double dot. So that divided by M2 L2 plus S. So to obtain the third equation, the next step is to multiply equation 1 by M2 sin theta 1 minus theta 2 and equation 3 by minus M2 cos theta 1 min theta 2 to option. Is from in the equation are the fourth and fifth. After that, substitute equation 4 and 5 to equation 2 so that we can obtain an explicit expression for the angular acceleration theta double dot 2. Then isolasi theta 1 double dot on the left hand side of the fish by ML1, M1, L1 in the isolasi when the left hand is divided by option solution for theta 1 double dot. The next step is the find theta double dot 2 multiply solution theta double dot 1 by minus L1 cos theta 1 minus theta 2 to option. In the equation 6, then insert the result from equation 6 into equation 3 to solve for the angular acceleration theta 2 double dot. Theta double 2 dot on the left hand side divided by L2 and S. The final solution for S double dot, theta double dot. The next step is to find the value of S multiply solution theta 1 double dot by min L1 sin theta 1 min theta 2 to option. Equation the 7. insert the expression from equation 7 in equation 1 in the order to solve for S. Isolate is double dot on the left hand side of option final solution for S double dot. Equation so in the conclusion the resulting equation describes the motion the system in the spring state as angular acceleration theta 1 double dot angular acceleration theta double dot 2